Taylor from the Sunshine and Music blog here, and today I want to talk to you about listening maps. You might be wondering, what exactly are listening maps? Well, listening maps are a visual representation of some of the important events that are happening within a song. Now, of course, your next question might be, why should I use listening maps in my music classroom? And my answer to that would be that it is a great visual aid to help students understand all of the complex musical information that is coming at them whenever they're listening to a piece of music. It can help highlight things like dynamics, tempo, instruments, form, and so many other things in the music. So it's a really helpful tool. There are lots of ways that you could use a listening map. A couple examples might be just to have the students follow along. You can point along with it up on a screen or even hand out individual copies for students to follow along with. You could also listen along with the song and have questions that they answer during different sections. Or you could even listen and move, where you have movements to go along with different sections of the song. So listening maps are a great way to first introduce a song to students. And then you can do lots of stuff with a song after that, whether you're adding movements, instruments, or even analyzing the song for what elements you heard and how they helped create a certain mood or an idea in the song. If you'd like to create your own listening maps, check out my blog post on the Sunshine and Music blog called How to Make a Listening Map for Your Music Class. It'll walk you through step by step the process that I use. Or save yourself the trouble by buying pre-made listening maps, which are available on my TPT store or my blog, the Sunshine and Music store, Sunshine and Music blog. And don't forget to visit my blog for lots more ideas on things to do in your music class, listening maps and otherwise.